Hey friends and thrivers, today's video is going to be a little bit different. No recipes or nutrition tips, just real life update from me. A lot has been going on behind the scenes and I wanted to share it all with you. And also this just so happens to be my 100th video.
100.
100?
And that feels like the perfect time to share a little bit more about what's been happening in my life and to say thank you for being part of this community. If you've been following along, you might remember that I teased we had a major life change coming soon. And well, here it is. Devin's retiring from the military and we are moving to Tennessee. So last week we celebrated a huge milestone. Devin officially retired from the Navy after 21 years of military service. And we had a beautiful retirement ceremony surrounded by family and friends who flew in here to Colorado Springs to be with us. And I'm not gonna lie, I got emotional more than once. After over 2 decades of military life, it feels surreal to say this chapter is closing. The ceremony was meaningful, emotional, and a reminder of just how far we've come. It was one of those days that felt like a blur in the best way. Watching Devin be honored for everything he's done with our boys sitting right there in the front row, it was so moving.
Navy family departing.
And you don't always get to pause and reflect in this military life, but that day we did, and it was amazing. Over the last 21 years, we have moved 14 times. That's 14 homes, new neighborhoods, new schools for the kids, new jobs for me, new everything, over and over. Military life has been an absolute adventure, but it's also been hard in ways people don't always see. Deployments, workups, constant goodbyes, and having to rebuild your village every few years, it definitely takes a toll. Devin and I and our 3 boys have navigated a whole lot of change. It's definitely made us stronger, but it hasn't always been easy. But our boys have been such troopers through it all. They are truly resilient. They've said goodbye to best friends, started over at new schools, moved states, moved countries, and they still managed to roll with it. The best part of this new chapter, though, is that we are moving one final time to Tennessee. I am so thrilled for this next move to be our final move and to find our forever home. One of my boys even said, wait, we might actually get to stay in one place? Fingers crossed, buddy. But even though we're stepping into this new chapter with so much gratitude, it is not all tied up in a tidy bow like I would like it to be. Selling our house here in Colorado Springs has been tough. It has been way more difficult than I thought it was going to be. Who wants to buy this beautiful kitchen? Seriously. And coordinating the move to Tennessee has felt like a full-time job on top of running my business, helping the kids prepare for yet another new school, organizing a retirement ceremony, and then finding a home in Tennessee that actually feels like us. And I'm also in the middle of relocating my business and ramping up Devin's woodworking business, which is super exciting, but it also comes with a million moving pieces. There have definitely been those times where we've thought, how are we going to pull this off? But we're figuring it out one box and one snack break at a time. And even in all this chaos, I am really excited for what's ahead, both personally and professionally. With everything going on, I have kept a notepad in my phone where I've been jotting down video ideas when the inspiration strikes, usually when I'm in the middle of cooking dinner or on a run. There are so many topics that I cannot wait to dig into with you, and they are coming up soon. I'm doing a deep dive into this raw milk craze, separating fact from fiction, and a video on how to break your sugar habit in a way that's realistic and sustainable. Plus an update on seed oils because this myth continues to persist, but there's new research I cannot wait to share with you. Plus how to eat well while you are vacationing, especially during these summer months. And I have a fun collaboration coming up with a fellow dietitian where we break down what's really going on with bloating. And of course, there are plenty of fresh, nourishing, and no-fuss recipes to keep you feeling good, even when life is totally bananas. This week, I'm finally getting back into the kitchen and testing some summer recipes that I've been brainstorming, and I cannot wait to share those with you soon. Let's just say this first round of testing may or may not have involved me eating the sorbet right out of the blender. But hey, it's research. If there's a nutrition topic that is on your mind that you'd like to see me cover, drop it to me down in the comments or shoot me a message on social media. I love hearing your ideas and making videos that meet you where you are. So thank you so much for sticking with me through this wild season. If you've ever gone through a major life change, you know it's never just one thing. It is all the things all at once. But I am grateful, I'm hopeful, and I am ready for this next chapter. Whether you've watched one video or all 100, thank you so much. Your support, your comments, your stories, it's what's keeping this channel going. I started Thrive Nutrition RDN to help people eat well and feel good in their real lives, and I'm so thankful to have you on this journey with me. Next week, I'm going to be back sharing more nutrition truths. Thanks for watching, listening, and following along. I'm so glad you're here. I will see you in the next video. Until then, eat well, be well, thrive. I started Thrive Nutrition RDN to help. I'm getting my Tennessee accent.